Have you ever been surprised by something that happened very suddenly? The word abrupt perfectly describes that sudden change. Abrupt means happening quickly and without warning. It can describe actions, changes, or behavior that is sudden. A common mistake is to use abrupt to mean rude. While abrupt can sometimes describe blunt behavior, its main meaning is just sudden or unexpected. You can say an abrupt change, an abrupt stop, or abruptly leave. People can be abrupt with speech or abrupt in manner. The meeting ended abruptly when the fire alarm went off. He made an abrupt decision to quit his job. Her abrupt tone surprised everyone. The car came to an abrupt stop. Sarah was talking happily when suddenly, with an abrupt silence, everyone stopped listening. The sudden quiet changed the mood immediately. Think of abrupt as a quick abrupt stop in a song. Suddenly it ends without warning. The sudden sound helps you remember the meaning. Remember, abrupt means sudden or unexpected. Try using it today. Comment with your own sentence now.